Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a group chat in the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the group chat button. So in order to create one, you need to have friends within this application. So if you have them, you will find them here, and just select those that you want to add to this group chat and then click on the confirm button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.